Hey, hi Pranay. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Okay,
Hello,
great to
Praveen.
have you, man. Great to have you.
Thank you so
So,
much.
how things been? All good?
Yeah, things are going pretty well.
So, how long you
Yeah,
been this group? How long you been this tribe now?
it has been more than 2 months, I believe. I joined since August, and now it has been 2 months.
Oh, awesome, great. So, see, as in this branding course which people are taking, so what I'm trying to do is the people who have completed the Naked Brand Man, the halfway through, I'm
Yeah,
interviewing them because once you complete the halfway through process or a Naked Brand process, then it's a dressing up process.
yeah,
So dressing up is more of doing in terms of designing and building and stuff like that. So we will balance it out. When you complete the next step, I'm sure you must have completed your Naked Brand Man, right?
yes,
Great.
I
So we'll
did
talk
it.
about that today. And when you complete the complete branding, then we'll come back again and we'll go through the interview. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, that's good. It
Okay,
sounds
awesome.
good.
So start with Pranay. Exactly, what kind of business you are into? What do you do?
Well, what I do, I'm actually a freelance software developer. I
Okay.
work with Java development and etc.
Uh huh.
So that's my natural gig which I do.
Uh huh.
Uh, Coming to my business, I incorporated a private limited about 1 year ago from
Uh huh.
now,
Uh huh.
and since then I had been actually struggling to get projects, getting clients, and all.
Mm-hmm.
So that was the thing.
Mm-hmm.
It has been happening, but I had learned branding since I have learned come across the concept of branding about making our own brand man and getting it across the market and all.
So
Since last
just to
couple
take
of
a
months,
pause here,
yeah.
how you used to do your marketing and sales before you started with this course? How you?
Actually, before this, there was no marketing and sales at all. I
Oh,
just
okay.
went on with word of mouth and just went on wherever there is a requirement.
Uh huh. Uh huh.
So there's
So what
no.
changed? What changed when you kind of started with the course?
The first thing that changed is actually I got clear on what kind of message I need to spread out.
Okay.
So,
Okay, that's
uh,
interesting.
and next I got clear about uh, how the message should move on, like uh, the what do you call the channel in which I have to send the message, and how I need to position myself in
Uh
the
huh.
market, which is when I get clients automatically rather than hunting them and etc.
Awesome.
So
So, if I ask you in a little bit elaborative way, could you help me to understand your journey from day one to till date? Through with that, as you know, like there are 32 elements to the branding,
yeah,
right? So, out
correct,
of which you must have completed the first 15. The next
correct.
15 is about dressing up and all. So, first 15, if I just ask you roughly, like when you started with each and every element, I'm not saying you explain that element to me, but what I would like to know is when you are working on that particular element, how that element is going to help you in building your business or developing your sales. Just in case, if I want to give you an
Yeah,
example, if you're writing a problem statement, how do you think that is going to help you? I'm asking that kind of question. Okay, I'm not
okay.
asking the problem statement itself. So you can go one by one, whichever you remember, and how you
Yeah,
started, like what story, and also you can go ahead,
sure.
whatever. Yeah.
Actually, after starting the first element, which is brand story,
Uh huh.
I thought, okay, this story, whatever I'm going to write, this can be part of a lead magnet that I can send out. And
Okay.
second, actually, since this is a story and it always connects me and my business,
Uh huh.
so something this is a element. I thought it should be available at every layer whenever a client, customer, or a prospect is on my is in connection with us.
Uh
So
huh.
using the story, we can always connect to them, and they connect to us. That way, we will have a good relationship. That's the first thing.
Awesome. Awesome.
And later, yeah, the core values. core values and virtues is something like we rather than telling off that this is my core value, this is and all. We felt if we could inculcate the values in the words we speak, in the way we do things and all, it will be more beautiful. I don't know the exact word, but what I am trying to say is people will be more connected than they usually connect whenever a transaction is happening, right? Awesome. So that's what I have felt. So that's the way the branding elements have been helping.
So have you worked on the positioning part?
Positioning part, kind of, yes.
So how do you think that positioning part is going to help you? Because I'm just trying to understand, when you're working on an element, how you're perceiving and how do you think that's going to help you improve your business?
Positioning part, it has been it has helped me out in basically identifying how I can position the brand on the market. So whenever they think of my brand, which is BPSES, they should be able to identify us with something, which is what our position is all about. And at the same time, we are on a mission to build information age entrepreneurs. So that's how I have positioned our brand.
Brilliant. So as of now, if you see yourself compared to you before a month ago, so what kind of change it has brought in you, like as a person, like towards your business, when you're looking at your business before a month and now when you're after the course, what kind of difference you could see in yourself? That's something I would be very happy to understand.
Actually, the difference is what can I say? It's the periphery of the vision which I can see for my business. Because
awesome.
Until a month ago or so on, before I knew branding, it was just like, okay, my business is running, and who is my next client? Who is the next prospect I need to hunt and all. But now I see there is so much more. Now I understood these are the so and so elements that have to be inculcated in my business, and I have to market, and that way I see vision of clients coming in without my without my involvement.
Oh wow, that's a brilliant thing, because that's how it should be. Because I always, whenever I talk to people, it should happen such a way that when you start building your brand, slowly it should create a pull effect.
Correct.
People should come to you because they want to trust you, and they trust you. Like that's the beauty of business, right? Rather than you chasing them. Like any product, any branded product, if you see in the market, people go to that brand rather than that brand coming to your house. So that's the beauty about it. So great. In Hyderabad, you're from Hyderabad, right?
Yeah, correct.
In Hyderabad, have you figured out the competition, how it is, and how many people would be there, like in the same business?
In Hyderabad, the competition for this is like there are at least I can say 10 people per location or area.
Oh, wow. Okay, that kind of competition. Now, do you think now it's much easier for you to stand out from everybody else, or like just explain me about your competition mindset?
Yeah, that's exactly correct. Like since there is such a huge competition within Hyderabad itself, I feel like now that I have understood my branding, and now I have understood how I have to position myself and all, I think I have a way out by projecting myself in the market. And
now previously you need to struggle with price every time. You need to think about the price element. Now just to ask you, what else you can offer people now apart from price? Do you think like price should not be a problem anymore, and is there a way out for this?
Yeah, price would definitely not be a problem. The way out is like we rather than choosing people who will come to us, rather than waiting or making people come to us, I think we can, using branding and all, we can choose who are our customers as well, because that way, when we choose the right customers with the right price, right money, the ones who value our price and all, they are the ones who will obviously get repeated, because they are we are having a good relationship with them, versus having a tangible relationship with others.
Cool. So with that, is there like see, now a lot of audience are watching this.
Yeah.
You are a young entrepreneur. People could easily relate with you. They are also going through the same struggle. They have this competition in mind. They're thinking like how to play with price element, how to stand out in the market. They all want to know. But if I ask you like 3 learnings that they want to understand from your experience, or is there a message out which you would say these are the 3 things which you could get in a very simplistic manner? If you want to give that 3 elements to people, what that would be? With that, we could always come to the closing of the interview. So that just simple 3 elements for people to understand what you got from this doing this course.
The 3 elements I have learned from the branding course by you, Ravi, is first, we need to get clear on who we are.
Okay.
2, we have to get clear on our audience, so that we identify a relationship in which we and our audience can be binded for a lifetime, I can say. It's not just for a couple of months or
yes.
Yeah. And 3, getting the things correct by doing the way we have to do, which will not be identified or justified by other competitors and all, which is defined by the values, virtues, and what else can I say? The other things that will define the way we do.
Beautiful. Thank you so much, Pranay. See, because even for me, the way you are responding, it feels really great to see like it helping you to develop your business. And I wish you all the best with that.
Excellent.
And for all the people who are watching this interview, and if you want to make the difference the way Pranay has done, so you know where to come for, right? So thank you guys. Thank you so much, Pranay. I'll definitely get in touch with you once again when you complete the entire branding. As of now, you have completed halfway. You have built your naked brand man, so-called, right?
Correct.
So people may be wondering what is this naked brand man. For that, you need to come and explore it. But yeah, there is like next halfway to go. So when we complete, we'll come back again and talk about it. Okay. So wish you all the best, Pranay.
Thanks a lot.
See you soon.